Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. So this is your friend and guide Kumar Pratap Singh is back again with a review of another college in KCT and Comet K. So I get a lot of requests from students, that my ranks have come down and it is between say KCT 50,000 to 1 lakh, and similarly Comet K 20 and 30,000 and above, and what good college I can get in Bangalore. So this is one of the decent college which you can get in Bangalore. So this is Cambridge Institute of Technology. So this is a fairly new college, but in last 7 to 8 years, yes, it has emerged quite well, and it is one of the colleges which has got a good reputation now. So it is, and we can see from the different reviews by different associations, and it has got leading ranks here. So this is I will come to the placement cutoff and all in the later part of the video. So from the course perspective, you have good number of branches, which is from computers, information science, electronics to your core branches, which is electrical, mechanical, and the civil. So you get all the options here, and apart from your graduation program, you also have the option of doing a MTech from this college. So there are also computer science, and other branches are there. Apart from that, MCA and MBA as part of other engineering college, it's also available there. So this is about the Department of Computer Science and Engineering (CSC), and you see it has a decent capabilities in the labs, which are well equipped labs, which are part of the campus. Similarly, for information science and engineering part, right? So you have a interdisciplinary science courses which are being run in this in different laboratories here. So you have AIML, data sciences, and others. And coming to the ECE branch, right? Again, yeah, this is a quite established branch here, and a lot of interest is there from students to learn about the IoTs or devices part of it. And apart from the traditional engineering triple E branch, which also students, a lot of students considering it has a decent career options, and as it has an electronics part added to this. So now coming to the admission, so typical to all other engineering colleges in Karnataka. So there are two modes of admission. One is the KCET for all the Karnataka state domicile students, and the Comet K, which is for Comet K for the all India quota. So 45% of seats are through KCET, and 30% of seats are through Comet K. So that are the two ways of which you can get admission into this college. So now coming to the cutoff. So this is the cutoff for last year. You can see, and you can get computer even at KCET rank of 40,000. So and information science similarly at 40,000, and ECE up to 77,000. So you should consider this college if your rank is between say 40,000 to say 30,000 to say 1 lakh, and you will get a seat here. Similarly, coming to Comet K, here also, this is the second route cutoff, so you will get further below that, so 20,000 plus in computers, you will get it here. Coming to the placement, since it is a new college established, last 7 to 8 years, but it has come quite well. So you see a average placement which they claim is around 6 lakhs, and the highest salary which was offered was 14 lakhs. And it is showing a consistent record over the years. So 200 plus companies are visiting every year, and college has good MOUs again with the good IT companies within this Bangalore region. Now coming to the companies which are visiting, it is a similar typical set of IT companies which visit any of the campus here: Infosys, Accenture, Amazon, Wipro, and Deloitte, IBM, HP. So they take lesser number of students, but they take it. And similar to that, apart from typical IT companies, there are few of non-IT companies also visit. So this college is good if you get CSC, electronics, and those. Don't go for the traditional courses. Apart from the studies academics part, there is a good library, and the other infrastructure part of this campus. Similarly, there are from the sports perspective again, from the physical education, there is a good number of facilities available in the students for their entertainment, and their alignment to the the student life. These are few more pictures, a quite decent hostel and mess feature capabilities are available here. So student coming outside of Bangalore, which is from All India Comet K, will have a good time here. From other events or the perspective, so there are multiple events which are happening to the college. Pinnacle is one of them, and you see a good amount of interaction here. So overall it's a decent college with decent placement, and this one you should try if your rank is a little bit lower. And hope this information helped. Please write to me if you need more information, and thank you for watching. Please do subscribe channel.